Hey everybody, down here in the shop tonight. I'm gonna change my hub, oil seal and cap on both sides on this truck. It don't leak driving it, but when it's parked in a certain position, it will leak, and it runs down my wheel and makes a mess. And of course, you're not supposed to have any leaks like that. So I could probably just change the gasket, but I've got new caps and plugs and everything, so might as well change the whole shebang. I think these will fit it and be done with it then. Hopefully won't have to worry about it. Thought about taking my wheels off to keep from getting oil all over them, because I'll end up making a mess. But I want to try to use that cardboard and a drain pan and let it drain down into the drain pan and catch most of it that way. I may end up making a mess and having to clean my wheels off, but still might be easier than trying to jack it up and all that mess. Hope y'all can see there. And this is, of course, like my usual videos. It's not necessarily a how-to, it's just what I'm going to do. I'm no professional by any means. But we'll do something right or wrong. I think this one's just been siliconed back on instead of having the actual gasket. I'll probably put a little thin layer of silicone on the gasket when I replace it, but I'm not going to gob it on there. Okay. Without a doubt, I'll have a mess here in a minute. Like that. Didn't have much of a sign of a leak that way. Might be coming around this two-piece cap right here. Got it jacked up trying to get this oil to stop running out. Still trying to come out just a little. I'm gonna kind of rotate around, tightening these up. It's got the torque spec on this cap. I don't have a torque wrench, but or not a small one. Alright, I'd say that will do it. Get me something to clean these wheels up with after a while. I haven't filled that other side up yet. I want to do them both, and then I'll fill them up. Probably let it run down and check it again. Oh, gear oil's so thick, it probably take it a second to actually neutralize out where it's supposed to be. Got that old gasket off. Clean this out a little bit. believe I'll scrape that some. I'll go ahead and put the silicone on that other gasket and let it be tacking up, and then I'll check back with you. Heck on it. I believe that's got it. Probably shouldn't have done that. Now, we'll go ahead and pump some oil in it. I wouldn't doubt, well, I was going to say if some of that oil wasn't coming out of the cap, but I'm not sure it was. I know these caps sure fit a lot tighter. Just have to kind of pump it slow and let it drain, and pump it some more and let it drain. And kind of equalize out. I should have left it jacked up to where I could roll my wheel. That'd help work that oil back through there probably. But I'll get it filled up on both sides. I hope it stops the problem. It should. I don't know why it wouldn't. But appreciate y'all watching. Be sure and check out the next few videos. Be some information coming along in a progressive style manner. And the next one will be working on the BX. I changed the fuel filters for the first time on it, and that was an experience. I hate them things, but we'll get into that later. But I appreciate all of you watching, and I know these videos aren't very enjoyable, but maybe somebody will like them. Somebody will learn something. Not really a whole lot to learn about doing this. It's pretty simple. But we will catch you on the next one. Take care.